I'm in the company of Mrs. Hu from RPG Engineering. Hi, welcome.
Good morning, Alice. Thank you for having me here.
Oh, thank you. Could you tell us a little bit more about your own journey with Cigre? Why did you join Cigre in the first place?
My journey with Cigre has been remarkable. I joined Cigre in 2009, and in 2008, I met one of the legends of HVDC, and he told me, Joanne, you should go to Cigre. You know, that's a good place for you to learn and to exchange ideas and network with people. And then, based on his advice, I joined Cigre, and starting with a few working groups. And then in 2011, I became the convener of a working group. And luckily, I was chosen by our B4 chair, Mohammed Rashwan, in 2014 to be his secretary. And after 4 years being the secretary, I became the chair of the study committee before until now.
What a journey!
Yes, it's really fantastic.
What are the benefits of joining Cigre, and maybe especially as a woman?
Oh, that's a very good question. Actually, there's so many benefits. I can talk about it for maybe hours, but I'll keep it very short. First, experience is to learn and to exchange your thought, experience with all the colleagues working in the same areas. And also, you have access to many of the publications, technical brochures, and future connections, lectures. So I think that's a best place you can keep up with your knowledge in the same area.
And you can participate to a session like the Paris session.
Yes.
How maybe you could share with us a special moment you lived within your journey with Cigre, and that could convince young engineers and maybe women to join Cigre.
Oh, yes. I think I'm one of the person that really have a good experience, why we should be with Cigre. I would say, that my special part with Cigre is with people, because we have so many inspired and dedicated and passionate colleagues here working together to, support our power industry. So people here, my chair, Mohammed, and also TC chair, Marshall, all of them are very, first of all, they are very good technically, but they are also very good at motivating young people and promoting young people to be part of the Cigre. I think that's very necessary to build up the next generation for Cigre, for our future.
Thank you. Thank you for coming.
Okay, thank you very much.
I'm glad to receive Mr. Kostic, the new secretary of Montenegro National Committee. Hi, welcome.
Hi, Alice. It's my pleasure to be here.
Thank you. You've been elected 5 months ago. What motivated you to become the general secretary?
Well, I follow the work of Cigre for a long time now in my country, and in a recent time I wanted to be more involved in the Cigre activities. So I used to submit papers and attend conferences even as a student, but now I want to be a part of the Cigre team to learn new skills and hopefully to contribute. On the other side, our committee wanted to bring new people in to refresh, so they can refresh their team, and I think that now we have a very good combination of youth and experience.
So what are your main missions?
Firstly, I must say that during these 14 years of committee existence, a great job was done in developing it. So I see my primary task to continue with that good tradition. And of course, to be focused on improvements by adopting new methods and innovations in our work. So I see my mission in promoting Cigre by organizing quality sessions and motivating as much as possible young engineers to recognize Cigre value and to take part in Cigre activities.
What will be the next maybe events that they are coming in Montenegro?
We are currently focused on organization of the 8th session that will be held in May next year. after pandemics, engineers are eager to attend conferences and write papers, and in the meantime, a lot of interesting topics appeared, like energy crisis, power price increase, then the grid problems because of huge renewable influx, renewable technologies. So we have high expectations of upcoming events.
This is your first time at the Paris session. How went it?
Well, very interesting, very dynamic. I just can congratulate the organizers.
Oh, the message is great. Thank you. Thank you for coming.
Thank you for having me.
And have a good session left.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My name is Lorenzo. I'm representing Linea. We're a Swiss startup based in Zurich. Our company is developing software for automated power line inspection with drones.
My name is Stefano Grassi. I'm the CEO of Glytics. We're a company located in Zurich, Switzerland. We provide a cloud solution to automate and optimize the design and routing of networks, in particular for overhead and underground infrastructure like power lines.
I am Laura Botti, the Business Development Manager of Sunto. Our mission is deliver outstanding measurement technology for solar, pushing forward PV production efficiency.
My name is Florent Cadou. I am the CEO of Roseau Technologies. We are a software startup based in France, and we are here at Cigre 2022. Our first product is a SaaS application for the modeling and simulation of distribution grids. And our second product is a software component that implements the notion of non-firm grid connections in low voltage grids.
I'm Thomas Modier. I'm the CEO of Cybreak. We make ultra-fast circuit breakers for HVDC. We have a unique patented technology combining mechanical contacts with power electronics. This allows for compact and reliable circuit breakers.
I'm Benedikt Pilscheuer, co-founder and CEO of Soratec Scandinavia. We have developed the IoT system which directly connects to the medium voltage power lines between 5 to 24 kV. By collecting 3 voltage pairs and 3 currents, we can create the waveforms with high sampling data, and with that have all the information which we need to really know everything about the flow of electrons within the power cables.
I'm Linda Maria Wadman, Head of Business Development of FlexiGrid. FlexiGrid is a Swedish-Spanish startup. So we provide distribution grid flexibility management systems that allows DSOs to distribute more energy with the current grid capacity.
My name is Fabien Duchesne and I'm Development Manager at Glytics, a small and young startup based in Belgium. And we offer solutions for the physical inspection of the overhead line infrastructure.
Alessandro Capo, co-founder and sales manager of Cite Labs, Italian startup, focusing to solve the issue of how quickly screen large fleet of power transformer. We develop a solution in cloud based on artificial intelligence tool.
My name is Nadav Mantel. I'm the European representative for EcoJoule here at Cigre. EcoJoule is an Australian startup providing solutions for power quality issues and capacity issues in the low voltage network and distribution grid.
I'm Jimena, account executive for Liveo. Liveo is an Earth observation company offering monitoring solution for your grid based on satellite analytic data.
Good afternoon, I'm Jovan Bebic. I'm a founder and the CEO of Aquilia Research Incorporated. We're a small consulting company based in the New York State. We specialize in power system analysis and software. Product identifies the photovoltaics behind utility meters. We do it with better accuracy and with only using the smart meter data.
My name is Max Gertz. I am the co-founder of the company Mosaic Grid Solutions. We are a technical consultancy company in the field of grid integration for HVDC and FACTS.
I'm honored to be in the company of Michel Ogonnet, President of Cigre, and Philippe Adam, Secretary General. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
Fine, thank you.
The session is about to close. Let's begin with maybe a general overview with you, Michel. I think that the Paris session went well.
Yes, indeed. It was a very, very successful. We, in fact, had 3,700 people joining, which was over our expectations. Yeah. And I would say also at the opening session, we had 2,500 people in the amphitheater. When you think it was a sunny Sunday in Paris, I mean, it's really amazing. And it really shows the commitment of our delegates to this session. And that commitment, we could feel it all the week. There was a buzz all the time in the different floors, in the different shows, and very serious attendance inside the different rooms. And we also apologize because sometimes we had to close rooms without people inside, being able to get in. So it was really a very energetic session.
Pleasant to hear that. Of course, all our interviews within the Cigre TV are going to be available on the Cigre website, but it goes beyond that. Tell us more, Philippe.
Indeed. All the events have been recorded.
Yes.
And they will be available for replay from the session website after the session is over.
Perfect. Maybe let's talk about what are you expecting from Cigre delegates back to their countries?
Well, before they come back to their countries, they would like to fill in the delegate survey that will be sent on Friday afternoon.
Okay.
And they will have only 2 weeks to answer.
Okay.
So please don't forget to answer.
You heard him. A word maybe about the Paris session 2024.
Yes, indeed. In fact, I would like to draw your attention on the fact that the 2024 session will be just in between the Olympics and the Paralympics game in Paris in 2024. So I would like you to take care of registering or booking your travel and accommodation as soon as possible to avoid having to pay high fees or high rates at the last moment.
Yes, Paris will be like full booked everywhere. Michel, energy transition was indeed the top leading subject this year. What can we hope as maybe an heritage from this session?
I think all the work that was carried out during this session in the working groups, in the webinars, all in fact contribute to the energy transition, and all the knowledge that's being gathered in fact goes that way, and therefore will help our delegates to contribute to reduce it to a carbon-free society. So basically what I would say out of this is that we are all going to shape the future of electricity. More than that, we're going to shape the future of energy, and even better, we're going to shape the future of humanity.
Explain word. Thank you, Michel. Maybe a last word you can address directly eye to eye to our delegates.
Well, thank you very much for your contribution to this session, and really we're looking forward to see you in 2 years' time. 2024 should be an even greater session. It will be also in Paris, the time of the Olympic Games, and maybe that could also inspire us in the way to manage energy in a dynamic and a worldwide way. And Paris will be also full of people, Philippe mentioned, but it will be also an occasion to have a lot of fun and a lot of inspiration by the people we'll meet. So hope to see you then.
Thank you both of you. It was an amazing experience to be part of this session. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Alice, and thank you a lot for what you've done this week for all of us.
And thank you to all the team of the Cigre TV.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.